Children's School. I'm showing red color car, red color heart, red color cycle, red color chair, red chilli, red tomato, red apple. I'm showing about drawing. Red spider, red watermelon, red tomato, red cherry, red chilli, red apple, red flower, red ball, red stop signal, red post box, red strawberry. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello friends, I am Harivaradna Reddy. I am studying in 2nd class. My school name is Rajdhani Residential School. Today is Red Day. First, I will show you red color drawing picture, and next I will show you natural which are in red color. This is bug, this is apple, this is ball, and this is strawberry. This is stop, and this is post box, and this is watermelon, this is cherry, this is tomato, and this is red chilli, and this is hibiscus, and this is hibiscus. Now I will show you natural red colors which are in red color. This is pomegranate. In the pomegranate there was C vitamin. The tomato have C vitamin and potassium. The tomato we use in 2-in-1 like fruit and vegetable. In the apple have C vitamin and iron. I like red things. My red compass box and my red toy tin and my red monster and my red school bag. Bye.
Hi for everyone. My name is Lahari and I am studying in 2nd standard Rajdhani Residential School. Today I am going to tell about red color toys. This is one car. My father brought me to play. This is one remote control car. This is one gas stove. This is one gas stove. My father brought me to play this gas stove. This is one box. I carry in this my pencil, my eraser, sharpener and scale. This is one red color thread. This is my beautiful teddy. I will play with this in playing time. This is great grandmother. This is great grandmother. This is grandmother. This is mother. This is little one, Neelahari. These are my drawings. This is one bug, red color bug. This is one flower, beautiful flower. This is one ball. This is watermelon. This is red chilli. This is strawberry. This is tomato. This is cherries. This is one ATM. hope you like this video. Hari Om.
Hello ma'am, my name is Tanvir. I am studying second class in Rajdhani Residential School. On occasion of Red Color Day, now I am telling about tomato and apple. Tomato is in red color. It contains fiber, potassium and vitamin C. It is very good for health. And apple is also in red color. It promotes good bacteria. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is red color things. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, my name is Gauri. I am studying second class in Rajdhani Residential School. I am telling about Red Day. Red is generally danger or warning. A red traffic signal means stop because there is danger ahead. These are red cherries. This is red post box. This is bug. This is apple. This is strawberry. This is chili. This is ball. This is tomato. This is watermelon. This is hibiscus. I am showing my red toys. This is my red Mickey Mouse. This is my red red pencil box. This is red box. This is red chimney. This is red fridge. This is red paintbrush. This is red hat. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, my name is Sohana. I'm studying in second class. Today I'm telling about tomato. Tomato is fruit, but we use it like vegetable. We can also eat it. We can also eat it normal. Tomato is very shiny and smooth. Tomato has many seeds, small seeds. Tomato has a red color. First in green color. It changes in red color. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. My name is Suhan. Today I am telling red color day. Red color day. Ladybug. Ladybug is insect. Post box. We drop letters inside the post box. Red chili. It's so spicy. Rose. Rose. I like rose, but that has a thorns. Thorns. I cannot pick up that. Tomato. Tomato is very juicy and crunchy. Stop. When is red color comes on the road, we also tomato like juicy. Hibiscus. Hibiscus like rose, but it is smell like different. Cherry. Cherry is a fruit. Strawberry also fruit. Apple. Apple is crunchy fruit. Ball. We play with ball. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, my name is Chekitan. I'm studying in Rajdhani Residential School in second class. We are celebrating Red Day. Today I tell about red things. This is a red box. This is a red ladybug. This is a red tomato. This is a red strawberry. This is a rose. This is a ball. This is a apple. This is a chili. This is a red hibiscus. This is a watermelon. This is a stop red. This is a mailbox. This is a cherry. This is a red paste. This is the red boost. This is the red mask. This is the red chips packet. This is the red crayon. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. I am Hanish. I am studying in second class in Radharani Residential School. I am telling red color things. This is red color pomegranate. This is red color cup. This is red color flower vase. This is red color box. This is red color lunch box. This is red color building box. This is red color pencil. This is red color chilli. This is red color stopboard. This is chilli. This is watermelon. This is tomato. This is watermelon. This is flower. This is ball. This is ladybug. This is post box. This is apple. This is strawberry. This is cherry. This is apple. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi friends, this is Piyush. I will tell about showing activity. Red color. This is a this is a ladybug. It is in red color. This is a post box. This is in the red color. Apple is in red color. Strawberry is in red color. And cherry is in red color. And watermelon is in red color. Tomato is in red color. Stopboard means that in red color. Ball is red color. Chilli is red color. Hibiscus is in red color. Pomegranate is a fruit. We eat digestion power will improve, and vitamin C also come. Heart disease
will
control. Tomato is a vegetable. Tomato is in a red color. We have it. Will improve the immunity. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello ma'am, my name is Satvik. I am student second class. My school name is Rajadhan Residential School. Tell about primary colors. Red primary colors. This is a red color chilli. This is a red color ladybug. This is a red color rose. This is an apple. This is a red colored lemon. Strawberry. This is a red colored strawberry. This is a red colored watermelon. This is a red colored stop. This is a red colored tomato. This is a red colored ball. This is a red colored chilli. This is a red colored flower. This is a red colored tomato. This is an apple. This is a red colored paste. Apple is red color. Apple has 5 vitamins. Eat apple every day. Keep doctor away. Bye friends.
Hello ma'am, my name is Shekhrazvi. I am studying in second class. My school name is Adilashri Western School. Today I am telling about red in color. My box is a red. My sharpener is a red. My teddy is a red. Pomegranate is red. Tomato is a red. This is a post box, red in color. Apple, red in color. Strawberry is a red in color. Cherry is a red in color. Rose flower is a red in color. Watermelon is a red in color. Tomato is a red in color. Mirchi is a red in color. Ball is a red in color. Stop is a red in color. I like red. Blood is a red. My dress is a red. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, my name is Lohit Narayan B. I am studying in second class. I am telling about red colors. Now this is a red ball. I like football. Now this is a tomato. It is like a vegetables and there was juicy pulp. And this is the healthiest food. This is the healthiest thing in the world. And now this is a strawberry. I do not like it. It is not coming taste. Now this is a chili. It is so spicy. I like it. It is tasty. I eat spicy foods. In my dad brings us ordering spicy foods. I like it. This spicy foods. My dad is giving a order. My dad is buying every day of spicy foods. Next, ladybug. This is an insect. This is a red insect. I am scared of insects. Now this is a rose. I like rose, but it is not coming smell. Now this is an apple. I eat the apple. I eat the apple in evening. I like it. And this is hibiscus. The hibiscus is in my balcony. Now this is a watermelon. But watermelon has seeds. and I like it. It is so tasty. It is in red color in inside the watermelon. Now this is a post box. Before the post box man, before we put postcards in the post box, and the post box man will take it all postcards. Now stop. Before the cars will come, before the signal will come, the red light, and the cars will stop. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Okay, descent train. This and Thomas train. And there was a top and the bottom there was red in color. And this one's bike. There was in red color. See.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Vinihal Gupta. I am studying in second grade in Rajdhani Residential School. Now I am showing some drawings and some red things on account of Red Day celebration. First I am showing drawings. This is post box, this is apple, this is watermelon, this is strawberry, this is bug, this is cherries, this is rose. This is red balloon. This is pomegranate. This is an umbrella. This is fire truck. This is red garden spear. This is red monster truck. This is red tennis bat and red tennis ball. These are bangles. This is my favorite box. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Hadrika Tripathi. I am studying in grade 2. My school name is Rajdhani Residential School. Today I am telling on red color day. This is red tomato. This is red clip. Drawing. This is cricket and bat. Red. This is red pot. This is red door. This is red dress. This is red flower. This is red apple. This is red cherry. This is red post box. This is red bee. This is red watermelon. This is red tomato. This is red mirchi. This is red ball. Thank you.
My name is Yuk Chaudhary. My school name is Rajdhani Residential School. I am in second class. I am showing you red things. I have red shoes. I have red bottle, red pomegranate, red tomato, red box. I'm wearing red t-shirt and red cap. I'm showing you
My drawing.
my drawing. This is red box.
Post box.
Post box. Red apple. Red strawberry. Hi friends, my name is Vishwatsai. On red color day, I am showing red color objects.
This is red cup. This is apple. This is tomato. This is mirchi. This is my red supercar. This is my pencil box. I'm showing drawings. This is apple. This is flower. This is ladybug. This is post box. Okay. This is strawberry. This is ball. This is cherry. This is stop signboard. This is mirchi. Like this mirchi. Okay. This is watermelon. This is tomato. Thank you, friends. This is red teddy bear. Thank you, friends.
Everyone, my name is Rutika. I am telling about pomegranate. Pomegranate in red color. Pomegranate helps improve memory. It helps boost immunity. It helps thin the blood. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Niti Prasad. Today I'll tell about I'm studying in Rajdhani Residential School in grade 2. Today we are celebrating Red Day. That's why today I'll tell about 8 things. This is a red cherry. This is a red rose. This is a red tomato. This is a red ball. This is a red bus stop. This is a red hibiscus. This is a red ladybug. This is a red watermelon. This is a red apple. This is a red strawberry. This is a red cherry. This is a red rose. This is a red teddy bear. This is a red rose. This is a red chili. This is a red car. This is a red pillow. That's why today I'll tell about roses. Red roses are red. Red roses are beautiful. Red roses are nice. Red roses smells wow. Red roses are nice. Red roses are smell wow. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Today I'm telling things red colors. Okay, start. This is red color umbrella. This is red color apple. This is red color balloon. This is red color ball. This is red color chili. This is red color cherries. This is red color tomato. This is red color post office. This is red color watermelon. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. I am Rutika Reddy. I am studying in 2nd class. My school name is Rajdhani Residential School. I am telling about the red color day. This is red color cup. This is red color band. This is red color bangles. This is Michi. This is red color Michi. This is red color hot Michi. And this is red color flower. This is tomato. Like a soup. This is a soup used. This is a vegetable. Tomato I say. This is a red color toy. This is red color clip. This is red color lipstick.
I am showing some pictures. Red cherry, red apple, red strawberry, red post box, red insect, ladybug, ball, red color ball, so stop sign, tomato, watermelon, red color flower, red rose, hibiscus flower, mirchi.
Hi, my name is Sadhika. I am telling red color things. This is red color bug. And this is red color post box. And this is red color apple. And this is red color cherry. And this is red color strawberry. And this is red color watermelon. And this is red color flower. And this is tomato. This is red color tomato. And this is red color. This is red color post box.
Starboard.
This is red color starboard. And this is red color chili. And this is red color flower. And this is red color ball. This is red color card. And this is red color cup. And this is red color toy. And this is red color teddy bear. And this is red. These are red color balloons. And this is red color teddy bear. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Viha. I am studying in second class in Rajdhani Residential School. I am telling about red colored things. This is my red colored jeep. This is red color bats. This is red colored bat. This is red colored balls. This is red colored ring. This is red colored apple. This is red colored tomato. This is red colored crayon. This is red colored ladybug. This is red color post box. This is red colored apple. This is red color tomato. This is red color watermelon. This is red color cherries. This is red color strawberry. This is red color stop. This is red color rose. This is red color jasmine.
Hibiscus.
Thank you, ma'am.